this way here. There's a Velcro here. Oh no, it's a magnet? Oh, it's a magnet! Look at that. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Daniel and welcome drone flyers. I have today something I want to show you. When I bought my Mini 2, I bought at the same time a hood protector from DJI.com. You can buy this for $30 US. But the controller is a bit bigger than the Mavic Mini or the Mini 1. Basically, it's the same controller now as the Mavic Air 2. So I was looking for a lanyard, but wasn't sure how it would attach to this, so I did some research and I found this here, which is a combo. It's from Skyreat. Look at the box here. It's a combo lanyard and hood, and it's only $23 US on Amazon.com or $30 Canadian on Amazon.ca. I have a hood already, but for the price almost of it, just a lanyard, I can get this combo. And looking at the image, I think this will solve the problem here. Look at, I'm going to show you on the side. Look at that here before I open the box. It goes lower on the side, and that was one of the problems I had with the existing or the DJI.com product, is that in my opinion it doesn't go low enough on the side. So depending on the sun orientation, you have light coming from under the hood. So that defeats the purpose. So let's open the box, and I want to see not just the hood, but how this lanyard attaches to the controller. So we have, this is it here. Oh, and by the way guys, if you haven't seen my video on this Nanook case, amazing case, it's in my playlist. One of the best cases I've seen in my entire life. So we have two things here. We have one thing, nice packaging, really, for the price. Again, $23 US. I'm going to destroy the bag probably, but that's fine. I'm not going to keep it. Wow, it is bigger. It is a bit bigger, and I'm going to, before I attach it, I'm going to show you here with the light reflection. Very nice, excellent build quality, like more than very nice. This is, and the inside is more like a felt, but a high density felt. The bracket here seems to be very, very sturdy. Wow, I am very impressed. So I'm going to try that, of course, but before I do so, let me open this little box here, and we have another bag. This is obviously the lanyard, but the question is, how does it attach to the controller? Because unlike the Phantom 3 or the Phantom 4 Pro controller, there is no hook on this controller. So look at that. Look at this little bracket. Whoops. I wonder how we attach this. Now, as you know, lanyard can be very cheap, right? I have a few actually, but this one feels fine. Like really, it's a nice fabric. The strap here, you have the Skyreat logo right there. Nice strap, and a little hook here, which is, oh, it's easy to operate. Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. Look at that. It's a chrome. Okay, and we have this here. And there is no instruction manual. So this is going to be an experiment live. Okay, so I need to obviously attach this here to the controller. Oh, I see how it goes. Oh yeah, I see. You have to remove the phone. And this, I'm going to show you here on camera. Right there. This goes right this way, I think. Let me investigate a bit more. there is a slot over here, and this goes. Oh yeah, right there. You have to align it because there is a notch. Look at that. You have to align this black piece with the little notch that the controller has right under there. So once you have your phone in place, and you have to have your phone in place to put the lanyard, because the phone will hold this bracket here in place so it doesn't come back up, and then you can attach the lanyard. Wow guys, this is a very nice combo, because many of us, I used to fly helicopters. The controllers, as you know, are bigger, but this is like, look at that. I'm going to cut my head off, but look at this. You can adjust the length. Of course, this is too short now, a bit too short for me, but wow, very, very impressed. Look at that. And it's very sturdy because it won't come out with the phone held in place like that. Very, very sturdy. Okay, now let's try the hood. I'm going to remove this. Okay, no instruction manuals, but it should be simple because the hood has, you can see here, these brackets have little pins right there. There's one here and one there. And the controller has a little hole. You can see that right there. So all you have to do is attach this to the notch, then put the notch in the hole. So let's do that first, and then we'll do the folding after. Okay, and okay, so just want to make sure it's right in the holes first. First time I do this, guys, so yeah, it's right there, it's in the hole. Okay, so now how do we fold this? Should be simple. This way here, there's a Velcro here. Oh no, it's a magnet? Oh, it's a magnet! Look at that. It's a magnet. Okay, so we just lift this here, put this in there, and fold this. Oh, it's a magnet! Unlike the DJI, which is Velcro, this one is a magnet. Oh! Wow! I've done drone videos for years. I have lots of drones, but I fly more lately. My Phantom 4 Pro and my Mini 2. This is very nice. Oh, there's a little flap here. Oh, you can put this over here. Oh, for extra shade. Look at that. Gives you extra shade. Can you see that? Maybe here. And then you can just flip it. And again, magnet. And I like it because, like I said at the beginning, look at the side. It goes lower than the DJI hood or shade. I don't know what to say. Wow, guys, this is like, oh, and now once the shade is in place, let's try if there is some interference between the lanyard and the hood. I don't think so. And I'm going to make it a bit longer. Well, yeah, it's going to take a while now to make it longer because this goes all around here, so I won't bother. Okay, so let's cut my head off again. Yeah, no interference at all. Look at that. Can you see that on camera over there? Maybe if I see, no, just like that. Okay, so no interference. Very sturdy. Very happy with this. I just need to adjust the length for me to have the right length. Wow, I am impressed. Let's put this back here. So, like I said, $23 US on Amazon.com. This is a great product, and the magnets here are strong enough that look at that. It doesn't come off, and you have the logo here, Skyreat. Highly recommended. I mean, on the scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 9.9. This is like Amazing. So guys, thank you for watching. Again, don't miss my video on the Nanook case for the Mini 2. It's an amazing case, and you have a similar case for the Mavic Air 2. And obviously, this whole thing here works also with the Mavic Air 2. It's the same controller. So thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions about this, what you saw today or what I said, let me know in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.